Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here because today we're going to be reviewing a new product. NARS Full Vinyl Lip Lacquer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited that you're here. Today we're going to be reviewing and swatching NARS's new Full Vinyl Lip Lacquers. These lip When I found out about these lip lacquers, it was a few weeks ago. I can't even remember how I heard about them, but anyway, I was really excited about them because I'm really into NARS. And when I knew that they were releasing something new, I just wanted to try it. But when I actually tried it, I realized how amazing it was. And I tried on all the shades. They come in 11 shades, they're $26 a piece, and they're limited edition, unfortunately. And I say unfortunately because I'm in love with them, and I really hope they decide to make them permanent. So NARS, if anybody from NARS sees this video, please, please, please make them permanent. Okay, so basically, I love them. I mean, when I got mine from Nordstrom, I was able to try them on the day before they came out. Like, they weren't for sale. They had to do a pre-sale or something like that. Anyway, I tried on all the shades and they felt so amazing. With the shimmery, they come in 6 shimmer shades, I believe, and 5 non-shimmer shades. They come in 6 non-shimmer shades and 5 shimmer shades. The shimmer shades, you can feel the shimmer texture on your lips, but the non-shimmer shades are super creamy. They don't feel sticky at all. The color payoff is amazing. Like, they have the payoff of a lipstick, but the shine of a gloss. So the Full Vinyl name that they came up with is, I mean, I feel like they're like in a lane of their own. So I understand why they have a totally different name. It's like some weird lip product hybrid thing. Anyway, they're so, like, you have to try them. I really love them. The packaging is really cute. True to NARS form. Really sleek, really cute. Isn't it so cute? I just really love them. So they're $26 and you get 0.17 ounces of product. When I tried them on, I felt like I didn't have to like keep going back into the tube to get more product on my lip. I feel like the wand was pretty loaded when I tried it on. So I would imagine this is gonna last me quite some time. The shades that I got are Santo Domingo, which is like a mauvey kind of pink shade. Conquest, which is almost like was a corally pink shade. And these are, I'm doing my own color descriptions, guys. I don't know what they say on the website, but you can check after you see these. This one's Red District. This one, oh, I can't wait till you see how that one looks. I really like that one. And then the last one I got is Mississippi. Those swatches, I hope you guys can tell how amazing these lip lacquers are. They're creamy, they're pigmented, they're super shiny. They have the staying power of a lipstick, but the shine of a gloss. They really are their own thing. So I really like the name Full Vinyl Lip Lacquer. I think it's totally appropriate. But I definitely recommend them. They last pretty long. I haven't worn these out yet since I tried them all on at the store. I wanted to give kind of first impression-ish video, so I saved them until I was able to do this video to let you guys know how I felt about them. But they really feel like they have really good staying power, but they're not sticky at all. Like, they're not sticky, they're really creamy, they're thick, but in a nourishing kind of way. Like, I put on like a really great lip balm or something like that. I mean, I can't even tell you guys how much I love these. Like, I really, really love them. I'm actually thinking about going back and getting the shimmery shades to wear them as lip toppers since they're so comfortable to wear. And I do like to put a lip gloss on top of my lipstick some of the time, so it would be nice to have a lip glossy kind of a thing that's not sticky. I might even pick up doubles of my shades. Like, this red is amazing, so I'm definitely gonna have to get this red. So if you're looking to pick these up, they are limited edition, so get them while you can. They're 26 bucks. They're at all the major department stores. I got mine from Nordstrom. I'll actually leave the links for Nordstrom down below. I know you can get them on the NARS website, Bloomingdale's, Saks, Macy's. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you liked the video. Leave a comment. Let me know which color was your favorite. Are you gonna get the lip lacquers? Do you already have them? What do you think of them? Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.